This is Anil. We are from Queensland. We have had the Bluetti system for just over a month. It's been a great experience. The process of sale to installation to commissioning and now seeing the results on the app on a daily basis to see how much electricity is generated, how much is stored, how much is utilized. I think it's working well for me at the moment. I did, as usual, go around shopping for different products, different solutions, but finally I narrowed in on Bluetti for their no-nonsense approach, no oversell. They just replied to my email. The system appeared to be just what I wanted, and it just went through. And subsequently, the installer was another great help as well, because he came along, understood what we wanted, worked with us on a weekend, and it all worked out well. I have a 6.6 kilowatt solar panel, but I was getting paid very less due to the market regulations and whatnot. So I thought of looking at investing in a home battery system so that I could make use of it. Bluetti came across as a really good technology company, and then it led me to reading a few posts on LinkedIn, which is a professional social platform, and the reviews were really good, and I was impressed with the technology. Around the same time, I just approached them. They contacted me back with the proposal. It worked out well. I have been a keen energy enthusiast that I pay attention to my bills, my usage, the network charges, the regulatory charges, and the like. And I always wanted to see how best I could minimize my electricity bill. The EP2000 system with a 20 kilowatt inverter really swayed a long way in my decision-making process, because the others in the market were, if I may say so, unbalanced system with, say, a 42 kilowatt battery with a 5 kilowatt inverter or a 10 kilowatt inverter, whereas the Bluetti system came as a package with a 20 kilowatt inverter and scalable option of batteries moving forward. That is what helped me make a quick decision. The 20 kilowatt inverter definitely has helped me switch on multiple loads at the same time, and it did really come to the fore when we tested the system, when the installer asked me to turn on all the electrical appliances and the loads. So we had the aircon running, the oven running, and probably the sauna as well. It really went well without tripping or causing any issues. That really impressed me. And it came to the fore again when we had a recent blackout for about an hour at night. I just came down, flicked the inverter to the changeover position, and bingo, there we had power on for about an hour or so that the outage was. We had the lights on, and we had the fan and some part of air conditioning as well going that night. The return on investment in terms of cost of the EP2000 system and the electricity bills, I'm confident that in future, with rising electricity costs and strain on the network, I have future-proofed our asset for the long term. The rebates currently on at the moment from the different levels of government and the way it has been promoted definitely played a part in reducing the cost of the system compared to what it was a few years ago that I would have liked to go at the time. But I'm happy that the rebates definitely helped in swaying my decision a bit faster than I would have otherwise thought about. The use of energy with the Bluetti system in place now gives me confidence that I don't have to compromise on my comfort levels of air conditioning or charging the car at different hours of the day. Whatever little is exported, so be it. I get whatever the retailer gives me back. As long as I am comfortable with my energy use and the way I want to use it, I am happy. And as of now, the Bluetti system is working perfectly fine for that. One other advantage after having the battery installed has been that we never had the opportunity to charge the car at a public charging station or on a fast charger. We have been managing the use of the cars with the existing system, and as I said, it's not an issue for us at the moment. Bluetti is a really good product, value for money, ease of use. Not many people are aware of it, but once they see it, once they believe it, I'm sure Bluetti will go a long way. It's been really working well. Thank you, Bluetti.